Assalamu alaikum everybody. Thank you for watching today's video. Today I will show how to use a wrap command in Solidworks software. At first I am going to taking plane, it will be front plane, and Control 8, go to the sketch and select the center line and draw a center line, then go to the line and draw that line, go to the SP line and draw a SP line. Okay, done. Go to the determine the dimension. The dimension will be 4 inch, it will be 2 inch, and it will be 3 inch. Okay, now I am going to offset it. Offset, it will be 0.3. Done, and add to this point to this point. Okay, close it and go to the features, select the revolve command, apply it. Okay, done. Now go to the front plane and click on wrap command, go to Control 8 and take the circle rectangle, draw it, close it. Okay, then Control 7, then click on the face, then here showing it, and we can reduce or increase it. Okay, done it. Deboss, when we apply the deboss, then it will be downward inside, then again edit it, and when we apply the emboss, then it will be upper side. Okay, thank you for watching this video.